Linux is all about community contribution, and one of the best examples of that is AUR. The Arch user repository is a place where you'll find tons of apps and software tested and developed by the Arch Linux community. Here we're going to tell you about AUR and how you can use it to find the software you want. So, what is AUR? The Arch user repository is a place where you can find software that's not tested by Arch's creators and maintainers, but by its users. Thanks to this, you can access more software that's not in the official repositories. How to use AUR in Arch Linux. There are many AUR helpers that you can use. Yay is probably the most popular today, so for the purposes of this video, we'll go with that. Install the necessary development tools and Git if they're not already available in your distribution. Sudo pacman -s --needed --devel git. You'll probably be presented with multiple software editions and asked to choose which you'd like to install. Go for the default option, all by hitting enter on your keyboard. Type Y and press enter when asked if you'd like to proceed with the installation. To bring Yay on board, first pull its code. Git clone https://aur.archlinux.org/yay.git. Everything you downloaded will be in a subfolder called Yay. Enter it with cd yay. While in that folder, build the actual package with makepackage-si. Answer Y when asked if you'd like to install the built package. Using Yay to install AUR packages. Yay uses a similar syntax as pacman. You can easily install AUR packages. Use the command yay-ss package. For example, to install Google Chrome, you can use yay-ss Google-Chrome. What's great with AUR helpers like Yay is that they also deal automatically with dependencies. Those are extras needed by anything you're trying to install that you'd otherwise have to hunt down and install yourself. Uninstalling AUR packages. To uninstall anything installed through Yay, you'll have to use Yay again. For that, you can use the -r parameter, but it's better if you go for -rns, which does a better cleanup job. For example, to remove Google Chrome, yay-rns Google-Chrome. And you can also remove extra packages and any remnants from past installations with Yay with yay-yc. If for some reason you don't like Yay or don't want to use it, you can also use other AUR helpers like AUR utils, AURA, PAC-AUR, PACU, PAMAC, PIC-AUR, and Trizen. Installing AUR packages manually. If you decide to do things the manual way, you can download the packages from the AUR repository, compile and install them. Here are the steps. Ensure that you have the base development tools and Git installed with sudo pacman -s -needed --devel git. Clone Google Chrome's Git locally, for example. Git clone https://aur.archlinux.org/google-chrome.git. Turn it into a package and install it with makepackage-si. Soon after, you'll find Google Chrome among the rest of your installed apps. AUR gives you almost the whole wide world, since you can find almost any application or packages there. However, you have to keep in mind the software in the AUR repository hasn't been extensively tested. In some cases, a package could not be installed due to missing dependencies, GPG error, missing files, etc., and can cause problems to your system. It's always best to double check before installing anything from AUR. If you're getting started with Arch Linux, however, you may want to get familiar with pacman instead of AUR. Link to that in the description. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.